Hello everyone, this is Charlie Flores. I'm a realtor with Herron Real Estate. Today I'm out here in the Everrange community located in Jacksonville, Florida. Today we're going to be taking a look at a model home by ICI Homes. This is the Pablo II floor plan. This is the low country elevation that we see here, and this will include the balcony there. Now this floor plan features 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and a 3-car garage. We see the 2-car garage opening here that at this time functioning as the offices, and a 1-car garage over here. Now ICI Homes offers 6 floor plans here in the Mariposa community or neighborhood within the Everrange community. 3 2-story and 3 single-story floor plans, and they are all built on 60-foot home sites. Here we are at the front porch. All right, double doors. Let's take a look inside. Now, as you make your way into the home, you walk into a 2-story foyer. It's approximately 19 feet, and that tray ceiling there is a standard or included feature, as well as the tray above the living room. We're going to start our tour, continue our tour to the left. Here is the garage entry door. This would be the mud room. Study over here. And this study is approximately 13 feet with 10 inches by 11 feet, 1 inch. On the first floor, you'll have 10-foot ceilings as standard, and then on the second floor, it'll be 9-foot ceilings. Okay, walking across, there is a storage closet. Okay, it goes pretty deep, so there's lots of space there. Next is a powder room. Here we are walking into the living room. Now the Pablo standard sliding door is 8 feet. This model includes 10-foot sliders with the 4 panels, as you can see here, allowing lots of natural light into the living space. There are also these transom windows above the sliders that allow for more natural light. And the living room is approximately 17 feet with 7 inches by 20 feet, 2 inches. Continuing our tour over here into the kitchen. Features a nice waterfall at the island. The gourmet kitchen is an included structural feature with the Pablo II. You could see the 6-burner cooktop with a designer vent. Lots of really nice design selections here in this model. There is opportunity to build from ground up, where you can customize the home, all of the structural options, design options. Now, if you're looking to work with a realtor and at this time you're not working with anyone, I'd love to connect and assist you throughout the new construction journey. Feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text or an email. Okay, sliders here. And this dining space is approximately 13 feet with 4 inches by 14 feet, 4 inches. Now let's take a look at this outdoor area. Now this covered lanai is approximately 17 feet by 10 feet. And if building from ground up, there's also opportunity to have a pool built. You can see lots of activity over here in the Mariposa neighborhood. Let's take a look at the summer kitchen over here. Now, as I was mentioning, I do not work for ICI, but can assist you throughout the new home purchasing process, whether you're looking to build from ground up or a home that is in construction or under construction or completed. I'd be happy to assist you. Feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text or an email, and I'd love to connect. All right, let's continue inside. Next is the master bedroom. Now, this bedroom features a tray ceiling. This is an included feature with this floor plan. And this bedroom is approximately 17 feet with 8 inches by 16 feet. Here we approach the walk-in closets. Okay, next is the master bath. Features a large shower. And here is a standalone tub. Transom window. And here you have 2 sinks. Some shelving over here. Right, the water closet. Then loops into the laundry room. And then we're back over here at the foyer. This model features wood stairs with metal railing. These are all options that can be selected at the design center if building from ground up. Give you a look over here back into the living room. All right, so you have the master downstairs and then 3 bedrooms upstairs. Let's take a look at the balcony. All right, you can see the model homes from here. Next, we have bedrooms 2 and 3, and they have the same dimensions, 10 feet with 6 inches by 12 feet, 1 inch. Okay, here's the closet. Okay, and there is a Jack and Jill that connect bedrooms 2 and 3. All right, you have these very cool faucets over here. And shower tub combo, transom window. All right, and then here is bedroom 3. A closet here. And then we're here in the game room or the loft area. Tray ceiling. And this game room area is approximately 17 feet with 8 inches by 17 feet 6 inches. Mechanical room to the right, and then the 4th bedroom straight ahead. And this 4th bedroom is approximately 12 feet with 2 inches by 12 feet 5 inches. And it does feature an ensuite bath. Okay, here's the bathroom. This one is a walk-in shower. Then the closet's over here. And then we're back into the game room. If you'd like more information on this floor plan, ICI Homes, or the Everrange community, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text or an email. Once again, my name is Charlie Flores. I'm a realtor with Herron Real Estate. I hope you enjoyed the video.